Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to move already installed EA app games. So if you're looking to relocate your EA app games to a different drive, perhaps to free up space or to utilize a faster SSD, just follow this guide I'm going to walk you through. So please note that the EA app currently doesn't offer a built-in feature to move games directly. However, the methods I'm going to walk you through can provide effective workarounds. So the first method is to copy and paste with registry edits. Now this method involves manually moving game files and updating the Windows registry to reflect the new location. Now open the EA app and navigate to library, and once you navigate, I'm so sorry, I'm going to take you to the library shortly. I just want to check something. Okay, so head over to library. Once you click on library, this is where all your collections are. So go ahead and find the specific game that you want to move from the library here. So once you find it, just click on the three dots next to the game title and select View Properties. Then click Browse to open the game's installation directory. Now ensure the EA app is not running. Right click on the EA app icon in the system tray and select Exit. Then open the task manager and end any remaining EA related processes such as EA background service. Now in the file explorer, copy the entire game folder, paste it into your desired location on the new drive. Then to prevent conflicts, rename the original folder. Now press Window R, type regedit and press enter to open the registry editor. Okay, so that's all going. So after doing that, let's just open the Windows registry. So Windows R and regedit. Okay, so registry editor, yes, it takes you here. Now navigate to this HK local machine and so value not set. Now in the right pane, double click on install dir. That, of course, once you have done all of those things I told you to do, right, then you're going to see HK local machine software WoW 64332 node electric arts your game, something like that, once you have followed through with all of those steps. So in the right pane, just double click on install dir, then update the path to the new game location and click OK to save changes. Now once you're done with this, reboot your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Open the EA app, then navigate to library again and locate the moved game. Click on the game and select repair to verify the game files in the new location. This method has been reported to work effectively by users in the EA community. Now, step 2, if you are uncomfortable editing the registry, you can uninstall and reinstall the game to your desired location. Simple, which is what I highly recommend. So open the EA app and head over to library at the left navigation panel. Then click on the three dots next to the game that you want and select uninstall. In the EA app, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select settings. And once you select settings, go ahead and select download. Now click edit, that is next to install location, and choose your desired folder on the new drive. Now go back, return to library and click on the game in question and select download. The game will install to the new location that you have specified. Now this method ensures a clean installation in the new location without the need to manually move files or edit the registry. So before making any changes, it's advisable to back up your game saves and important data. Incorrectly editing the Windows registry can cause system issues. So ensure that you follow the steps carefully or consult a professional if unsure. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps your search.